Hey, before we begin the video, real quick, I just want to put a quick disclaimer out there. I don't have a lot of subscribers on this channel, but what I did notice is when I post certain videos, there's some kind of robot going in the comments, leaving some weird comments, and they're spamming really bad. I've been trying to delete the comments, but it seems like if I go away for a couple of hours or longer, they start going crazy with the spam. So please be careful in the comments. I mean, I'm pretty sure by now, since some of y'all follow like much bigger channels, you know to be careful with the spam in the comments. But I just want to make it very transparent that to not interact with anybody in comments.
TGO Cloud KJ buy Dollar Looney 5-minute chart.
Pardon that. If you hear anything about buying something or crypto, any of that stuff, don't fall for that. If it's somebody in the chat, it would be me, and if it's me, you could just DM me. Of course, I don't go in the comments and try to like do any kind of promoting or anything like that. So just please be careful with the spam. I'm trying to deal with it, but it's kind of crazy. It's like it's a lot of it now. I did notice I started getting a couple of subscribers, but I knew that was weird because the amount that I kind of got, it wasn't a lot, but it just happened, and then all of a sudden this occurred. So that means that it's some kind of robot. Okay, so just be careful. So let's get into the video, and thank you for watching. Check it out. Oh yeah, man, this is it. This is what we live for. Let's go on ahead and get the chart set up. Let's go on ahead and pull the bad boy out. Y'all see the entries, right? Y'all see these entries, right? I don't think I gotta go too crazy. All right, so this is the bank wealth. You know, we would have took another entry here, but we only took two. So we got 4 signals on the bank wealth. 4 cells. As you see, these cells were valid as a mug. As you can see, the bank wealth is a powerful tool because when you enter the trade, this is for swing trading. This signal was given out on Thursday, and it is another week and a half later, and we are still in the sell. So I just got to show y'all the demonstration. Now, some people say, oh, well, why do you do that? Why do you do that? Why do you do that? Why do you do that, Jimmy? Why do you do that? I do it just because I can. It's an art. You know what I mean? People say all kinds of weird things. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cell signals off of this one indicator. And they all hit. They hit for some chips. And people say, oh, well, you know, I could just scalp and I can do what you do. All I know is this works. You know what I'm saying? I sacrificed a lot to learn this system. This was the first trading system I really felt like I figured out, because the trick to this is patience. And once you learn patience with trading, yeah, you can become a lot of a better trader. You know what I mean? And that's what it was. This taught me how to do that. So I'm appreciative of the bank wealth strategy, because this strategy was the strategy that really got me paid, man. And it ain't about getting paid. It got me straight in these streets, in these markets. You know what I'm saying? So I just don't need to really make this video too long. I just needed to show y'all that the bank wealth is strength, man. This is the indicator that it don't give a lot of signals, but it's very accurate. And when it does, you get paid. Now, you know, we looking at the last 2 weeks. Every signal it gave was 100% accurate. Now, can it give out a signal that doesn't really work? It depends. I mean, if it goes 50, 100 pips, did it work? Of course it worked. So saying that to say, let me move these stop losses, especially this one. Let me move this to the high of the day so that we can secure that. That's definitely where we want to go on that one. And I'm going ahead and put that one there too as well. Okay, so anyway, this is just me demonstrating that you know, if you sacrifice and you really study and you stay on these charts, you'll figure it out. I figured this strategy out, but it took so long because I used to complain that it wasn't giving no signals. I'm like, dang, this thing don't be giving out no signals, man. But because it's gonna give you a nice trend signal, and it trends. And you know, if you know what you're looking at, you know what you're looking at, right? Traders, if you know what you're looking at, you know what you're looking at. But let's just put it like this. When they give that signal and you in there, man, you in there. You good, man. So Bank Wealth, this is the one for the patient trader. If you're not the patient trader, if you can't wait 2 days, 3 days, you got to trade every day. You got to trade every 5 minutes. You got to trade every hour. This ain't for you. But if you want to learn patience and you want to learn trends and you want to learn how to stay in your trades for a couple days or how to hold trades, because people ask me all the time, how do you hold trades? How do you get 300 pips? How do you get 500 pips? How do you get 1,000 pips? How do you get that? This is how. This trade was triggered a week and a half ago, and I'm still in it. You know what I mean? And I could have took all of these signals, by the way. I just decided to cool out, chill. I said, let me chill and just chill right here. So I just made the video to pop in and show you. You have to sacrifice something in order to learn this, and it ain't gonna come easy. So you're gonna have to sacrifice your time, your social life, your love life, your sleep. You know, whatever it is, you're gonna have to sacrifice it. But you're gonna sacrifice something to get here. You know, you ain't gonna get here easy. The weekend, my phone was blowing up. Hey, come out, come over here, come do this, come do that. Nah, I'm working. I was working on the website. My partner had something happen. He couldn't do it. So what happened? I did it. I got on there and it took me 2 days, but I put the Black Friday chart up. I put the website up. I redid the banner for y'all. You know, I put a couple things on sale for y'all as best as I could for right now. You know, Black Friday gonna be looking good. If you wanted to get one of these signals, these robots, you should. This is the time you probably gonna get it for the best price you can. But this is not advertising. It's just to show you guys that this works. You know, we did the 1 hour. We didn't never break from that. A lot of people, oh, well, I do the 5 minute. The 1 hour is for people who don't know how to trade. Yeah, I hear you, YouTuber. I hear your favorite YouTuber. I hear you. But anyway, you can't argue with results. You can't fake charts. You can fake everything. You can sound like you know what you're talking about. You can act like you the best trader. You can't fake this. You can't fake results, okay? So people can say what they want. They could talk however they want. They can act like they know what the hell they
TGO Cloud KJ Sell, $1 Looney 15-minute chart.
Yes. The robots talk. I mean, I made this as easy as I can. I'm not even going to get cocky. I'm going to calm down. But I get hyped when I see how simplified I made this for people. I get hype off that. It's just follow the instructions. That's all you got to do. The signals are there. You become your own signal provider at that point. But anyway, I let people talk and, you know, act like they know what they talking about. I just keep posting these results. I just keep showing y'all day in and day out, day in and day out, day in and day out. Who's listening? Nobody. But anyway, yeah, man. Trade Game Official Black Friday sale is now live. If you want to get something, go ahead. Go in and knock yourself out. If you want to continue to just keep watching me, by all means do that. Subscribe, hit the follow button, like, whatever you got to do, man. Just if you want to watch. But hit the button, that's free. You ain't got to pay for that one. That's free. You don't need a sell for that. You don't need a coupon. Just hit the button, man. Hit the sub, hit the like, hit the follow, whatever you're going to hit it. Just hit something. Even if the dislike button is what you got to hit something. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's it. So I just wanted to pop in here and show y'all that this is powerful stuff, man, and it works. You know, people trade. And, you know, it's nice to hop in a little 5-minute chart, catch 40 pips, and be out of there in 15 minutes and be like, haha, I'm the best trader. Not knocking you. But this is different. This is an art, what I'm doing. You know what I mean? This is real. So let's put the period separator. So y'all see how many days that was we've been in this trade? You see that just from the period separator? I'm telling you, we've been in this trade from Thursday to next week Thursday, past that to now Monday. So we've been in this trade for a week and a half. We've been in this trade going we went on a Thursday, completed a whole nother week, and now we're on a third week. So, you know, it is what it is. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. And enjoy, man. You know, like I said, you're not going to get hit without sacrificing them. A lot of people ask me how I did this, how I do that. They've been trading longer than me. They didn't know it was possible. Yeah, man. All I got to say is it starts with that YouTube video stuff, man. Be careful what you be listening to out there. You do whatever you put your mind to. You know, sounds corny, but it's real. Anyway, I'm out of here. I ain't gonna make this video long. I just wanted to just jump in here and show y'all. It works. It's real. This is real results in front of your face. Peace.